Hello and welcome to BYJU'S Exam Prep IAS. Welcome to another session of Indian Economy Essentials. And in today's session, let's have a discussion regarding the recent announcement of Reserve Bank of India of QR code based coin vending machine, or in short QCVM. Now before I start the discussion, I just want to make one very important announcement. I'm pretty sure all of you know that we already have started with the Target Prelims 2023 initiative. And under this, the first part of the Target Prelims 2023 initiative, that is the strategy for 90 days, already has started. If you do not know, on the 1st of March, the strategy for polity for the next 90 days has already been conducted. 2nd of March, current affairs is done. And 3rd of March, that is today, we will have a strategy for 90 days for economics. And the faculty that is going to handle this discussion for the strategy for UPSC preliminary examination will be me, that is Shyam Kagod. Now with this caveat, let me start the discussion about QR code based coin vending machine, or in short, henceforth I'll be using QCVM. Now first and foremost, let's understand the basics here. Now whenever you come across coins or currency notes, both are type of money. Please understand this. Both are type of money. What type of money? We use a technical term, fiat money. Fiat money essentially means the money that is printed with the order of government. Currency coins are minted. Currency notes are printed. The currency notes, the right to print these is with Reserve Bank of India, RBI. Of course, except 1 rupee currency note, all the notes are printed by RBI, distributed by RBI. Whereas if you talk about coins, the coins are minted by Government of India, GOI, Government of India. And whenever you talk about coins, the act that deals with the coins is simply the Coinage Act. Coinage Act of 2011. Under the Coinage Act of 2011, it is the Government of India through its minting presses which is allowed to mint coins, and hence after this it is the Reserve Bank of India under the section 38 of RBI Act of 1934 which is allowed to distribute currency coins. So understand this carefully. When you talk about currency notes, the printing and distribution under RBI. And when you talk about minting of coins, the minting of coins is done by the government and the distribution of it is done by Reserve Bank of India. And both of the sections, please remember, for minting, section 6 of Coinage Act of 2011, and for the distribution of these minted coins, section 38 of RBI Act of 1934. And whenever you talk about the minting is carried out by one of the authorities, SPMCIL, Securities Printing and Minting Corporation of India Limited. I repeat, Securities Printing and Minting Corporation of India Limited. And this SPMCIL is owned by Government of India itself. The SPMCIL, through its minting presses which are located throughout India. For example, we have a mint in Kolkata, Noida, we have one in Hyderabad and one in Mumbai. We mint the coins, then through RBI we will distribute these currency coins in the market. Now some of you will basically say, sir, but I read somewhere that we might get these currency coins even from the bank. That is because, understand this, under the section 38 of RBI Act, RBI is allowed to appoint anybody else, that is banks, where the coins are distributed. So these are the important provisions. And next point is, whenever you come across coins, coins are generally divided into two types. One is called as rupee coins and second one is smaller coins. Now what is the basic idea of a rupee coin and a smaller coin? Rupee coins are those coins which will have a value of or denomination of 1 rupee or more than 1 rupee. For example, we have 2 rupee coins, 5 rupee coins, 10 rupee coins, 20 rupee coins. So whenever these coins will have these denominations, these are collectively referred as rupee coins. And when you talk about smaller coins, any value below 1 rupee, for example, half a rupee, that is 50 paise coins. These are called as collectively smaller coins. And if you have a look at the recent data that has been published by Reserve Bank of India, that is in the monthly bulletin of Reserve Bank of India, these are the number of coins which are there in the circulation of small value as well as rupee coins. That is, over a period of time, you will realize that the value of rupee coins has kept on increasing, and as per December 30, right, 2022, the total value of rupee coins, again 1 rupee, 2 rupee, 5 rupee, 10 rupee and 20 rupee coins, the total value in the market stood at more than 28,850 crore rupees, whereas the smaller value coins or smaller coins, the value has stayed or held steady in the last 1 year. You will see a rise in case of the rupee coins and a steady supply of small coins. Now coming to the point here, what is this concept of QR code based coin vending machine and why is RBI introducing it? Until now, what was the methodology? If you want to get currency coins, that is, you want to have a coin. Now many of you ask me, sir, why do I would require a coin? Simple. Although you might simply say, sir, I will conduct transactions through UPI, I'll scan the QR code, etc., etc. Even today, all of you will agree when I say cash is king. That is, a large number of transactions in the market, especially at the lowest level, that is in the retail level, it is conducted through currencies. And whenever you are going to conduct very small transactions, let's say you want to pay for purchasing of vegetables, you want to pay for autos, you want to pay for, let's say, purchasing chocolates, etc., etc. Most of the times, yes, right, many of you will simply say, sir, I will use a QR code, but most of the times the common man will also pay using currency coins. That is the precise reason RBI says, I want to ensure that the currency coins in circulation are there, because the demand for these currency coins is very, very high. Second, the problem has been that right now, you want to get the currency coins, there are two methods. One, you can go to RBI or any bank authorized by RBI to get the currency coins. Or second, there are already machines. You can insert the note in the machines and you will get the change, that is the currency coins. But the problem has been that RBI says, many of the times we have lot of these currency coins, but we are not able to distribute them. And second, and please understand the problem there, the cost of storage of these coins would always be higher. And second is, many of these machines which are vending these coins or which are providing the coins in change of the currency notes, RBI says there is an issue of counterfeit currency notes. That is, people are basically inserting fake currency notes and in return are getting a change of these currency coins. In order to address all of this, now RBI says we'll introduce a new system that is just like ATM. I'm pretty sure all of you know what is the ATM. Just like ATM, there will be a machine, but this will be a coin vending machine. How is the process going to take place now? Because many of you will simply say, sir, earlier also machine was there. Now the machine which will dispense coins will not collect currency notes from you. I hope you understand this. They will not collect the currency notes. Rather, you will have to use your UPI. And when you input your UPI data and provide the passcode, the amount will be debited directly from your bank account. Simple. The amount will be debited directly from your bank account. And once the amount is debited from your bank account, now you can choose what kind of currency change you want to get. This concept is referred to as the QR code based coin vending machine. Now to begin with, RBI says the pilot project will be implemented initially in 19 locations across 12 cities in the whole of India. And these, that is the QVCM machines, will be set up at public places such as railway stations, shopping malls, marketplaces, etc. to enhance the access to these machines as well as the availability in the market. So this is a basic idea of a QR code based coin vending machine. What is the advantage? Already we have looked at it. But are there any concerns related to this? Is there any problem? Of course, yes. Any system that is introduced, there has to be a certain concern related to that. One, just like the banks are refilling the machines, now the banks, that is ATM machines by the way, now the banks will also have to keep on refilling these coin vending machines. That will be one, which means additional cost. Second, many of the experts have already pointed out to print these currency coins, the cost is already higher. Many of the experts have pointed out that it takes more than 1 rupee to mint, not print, to mint these currency coins. And in addition to this, now if you add even the maintenance of it, that is basically the refilling of these machines, that will include cost. So if you keep on adding these costs now, in order to provide these currency coins, we are ending up spending more than the value of these currency coins. So that is one concern, or the second concern which has been raised. Third concern, which many of the experts do not agree, but some experts have pointed it out. On one side, we are promoting digital India. We are promoting usage of UPI. We are promoting usage of QR code based transactions. We are promoting online digital transactions. But on the other hand, we are also ensuring that the coins in the circulation are increased, or the coins in the circulation are available so that cash based transactions will also be conducted. Don't you think this is counterproductive to one of the objectives of Government of India, that is to promote digital India? So these are certain very important aspects related to the idea of QCVM. Now if you like these initiatives that we have launched for you, please hit the like button. Provide your valuable comments in the section below. And if you are yet to subscribe to BYJU'S Exam Prep IAS, kindly do it now. Thank you. Have a great day.